It's about developing the future. Robotics was the first robotics was made by the company first, and it stands for Inspiration and Recognitions of Science and Technology. It encourages students in the fields of engineering and science.
The Hot Team is a group of students and mentors that participates in the first robotics competition. We have 6 weeks to create a robot that performs a game that's different every year. We play a game with 5 other robots, three robots per alliance, and each year the game is different, and it's always a really fun design challenge, and it's really an all-year thing, even though we only have 6 weeks to build the robot, and a couple weeks of competition.
Like the competitions, the Hot Team, we have our team scouting or in the pits helping fix our robot, and well, the scouters provide like strategic information for like our coach so they can plan a strategy so that we can be successful.
Pros, it gives you a very unique engineering experience, lets you work with actual employees of General Motors at the proving grounds, and gives you very realistic engineering experience.
Well, we have different groups like the mechanical build, the field build. The field build is kind of like for the people that wanted to do the mechanical build, but there wasn't quite enough room because there's not like an unlimited amount of machines. So they put onto the field build, so they can still work with power tools, still work with the same mentors, but they're just building the field that we practice on.
The robot had to pick up these soccer balls. We had 12 soccer balls on the field, and it was kind of a game of robot soccer, except there were 2 goals on each side instead of just one. And in the middle, in the field, there were 3 bumps. I mean, 2 bumps that separated the field into 3 different zones. So we needed a robot that could kick balls over the bumps and navigate over the bumps, so that it could go between the zones and be most effective for its alliance.
Continues to score. Here comes the Hot Machine, 67 with 5 seconds remaining. Look to hook on. They're going up with 3, 2, 1. Autonomous, trying to score.
Oh my goodness, it has been amazing. I love learning, and this has been the best learning experience ever. I mean, every year it's something new. You learn, you have to learn about new technology just to stay in the competition. So you're learning new things all the time. You get to teach these things that you learn to your group of students that you mentor. It's a wonderful experience, both as a mentor and as a student, gaining all this information. Well, it was quite the dream season. I mean, we finished the build season and we had this robot, and we were thinking, this is going to be a tough year because it wasn't everything we had imagined, we were going to build. But then we went to our first competition and we performed a lot better than all the, the teams that we thought were going to, just have amazing robots. And, it seemed like everybody else was having the same issues we had. So then we were like, okay, well, this is cool. We'll just, fix all the problems we have. And when we did, I mean, that's where we came up with this product that won the world championship. Yeah, so, when you win unexpectedly, I mean, that's, a really wonderful feeling when everybody goes in and says, oh, we knew you were going to win. It's kind of anticlimactic almost when you do.